2017 Dodge Charger, 392 Hemi. Beautiful car. Still got the stock converters there and there, the factories. Got a factory X pipe. Then earlier in the year we did MAGNAFLOW Magna packs on it. And then he decided it's not loud enough, so he went and bought two Vibrant 1794, I think the number on them. Glass packs there and there, race bullets, and we put 4-inch tips on it for him also. So it's something different. You guys haven't heard that before. It's a mixture of both. I'll let you guys hear it and see what you guys think. It's the RT edition. This is what we took off the rear mufflers right there. I'll let you hear it. 2019 Dodge Charger Scat Pack, 392 Hemi. Really beautiful red color. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it comes 3-inch all the way back into a factory X pipe. And then we put 3-inch pipe instead of the mid mufflers, right there and right there. And left the rear mufflers. They still got the valves, the active exhaust there and there. You never want to take those off. They throw a transmission code and a limp mode. There's the rear mufflers or rear resonators right there and right there. He'll probably bring it back later on. We'll put some new tips on it and delete the backs, depending how loud it is, if he wants it louder. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Not bad. Oh, I like it. That's actually a really good combo. I've never heard them like that. They're usually a lot more raspy.
Yeah. Well, obviously those
the Vibrants are helping.
Hey, we put the boards.
Dodge Charger Scat Pack. Sound decibels again. 120, man. I don't think you should do it anymore. Just change the tips. Gotta back it out. Hey, that's sick. Woo! They never disappoint, bro. Is it lower? Bring it in more. No, just go ahead and send us a W9 and I'll sign it and send it back to you guys. Okay. Just send me the information I need you to send. To that email. And send it back. Updates. Mid muffler delete 2019 Charger scat pack, $392. Hopefully he'll go beast mode for us. We'll see. Yeah. What a beast!